In today's video, I'm going to teach you add a OneDrive node to your workflow. By the end, you'll have a secure connection between n8n and OneDrive, ready to use in any automation you build. Start by adding a OneDrive node to your workflow. This node is your bridge to Microsoft's cloud storage, letting n8n read from and write to your files without manual uploads or downloads. Once the node is in place, open it and look for the Credentials section. Click Credentials, then select Create New. Credentials in n8n are simply a safe, reusable container for your connection details, so you don't have to authenticate each time. You can keep the default name or give it something memorable so you'll recognize it later. When asked how you want to authenticate, choose OAuth 2 API. OAuth 2 is the standard, secure method for connecting apps without sharing your password directly. It uses a short-lived token that n8n manages for you, which means you get ongoing access while keeping security best practices in place. Next, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. This can be a personal account or an organizational one, depending on where your OneDrive lives. After signing in, you'll see a screen requesting permission to allow n8n to access your OneDrive. Review the access details, then allow it. This consent lets n8n perform actions like listing, reading, or updating files on your behalf as part of your workflows. If you're using a work or school account, you may see an admin approval screen. In that case, your organization may need to grant access before you can proceed. When the sign-in completes, you'll be redirected back to n8n, and your new credentials will show as connected. That's it. Your OneDrive node is now ready to use. From here, the node can power tasks like syncing folders, backing up reports, or moving attachments into organized directories, all within your automations. A couple of tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you're logging into the correct Microsoft account that owns or has access to the files you plan to use. If the sign-in window doesn't appear, check your browser's pop-up settings. And remember, because this is OAuth 2, tokens typically refresh automatically, so you won't need to reconnect frequently. You can also reuse these same credentials across multiple OneDrive nodes in other workflows to keep your setup consistent. With that connection in place, you're all set to build. Happy automating!